Today I am going to give you 9 tips or ideas for choosing an affiliate product. This is the 4th video in affiliate marketing series where we have already covered the basics of affiliate marketing and how to get started with it. So if you haven't seen those, then I would recommend watching them first by clicking on the I button. But if you already know all that and wanna get the tips and tricks to choosing a product for your affiliate marketing business, then continue watching this video. Hello, what's up guys? Sanidhya this side and this is my YouTube channel, helping you with everything related to digital marketing. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping digital marketers and influencers with basic as well as advanced knowledge required to make their campaigns a success. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is @newsdigitalmarketing, where I'll answer all your digital marketing questions. So the very first tip is promote the products which you are already using. If you are a beginner, then this is the best advice you are gonna get for your affiliate marketing career. Also, all the other tips will be just an add-on to this version of the tip. Look around. There are a lot of things which you use on a daily basis. Some of them would be so valuable that you wouldn't even be able to imagine your life without them. So why not tell the whole world about the same? And why you can't imagine a happy life without that product? Second one is online courses. Regardless of where you are in your journey, in whichever niche you are, you must have taken a few online courses. It is already a world of e-learning and everyone, whether he is an expert or a beginner, is searching for credible courses to upskill themselves. Also, there's a bonus tip here. If you have a decent following, which I don't, so just go and subscribe, then you can actually get any course for free. Listen to me very carefully. There must be a course which you know will take your skill set up one notch. Just mail the instructor that this course seems to be great for your audience, but since you haven't done this course and you don't recommend anything to your audience without trying it first, therefore you would want its free access so that you can go through and recommend it to your audience. It's a win-win situation for both of you, and the instructor would readily give you the access to the course. Third idea is books. Needless to say that if you are in a niche, then you must have read a lot of books around that domain. You can share your learnings from all those books and recommend them to read those books. If your audience really look up to you, then this method is gonna get you a lot of affiliate income, because what's better than reading and learning stuff than what your mentor does? Take me for an example. I idealize Isaac Rudensky as a marketer, and I specifically asked him about the books which he has in his shelf which appear while he is teaching in the course on Google Ads. By the way, if you want to learn Google Ads, then he's the best guy in the market and you can find his course in the description below. Coming back to the story, I asked him all those books and he responded with all those 32 books, and I'm on to reading all of them. Fourth idea is software. First, go and see all the tools you are using. Then go and check out all the products which other influencers in this niche are suggesting. There may be some tools which probably do a better job than the ones you have been using. Always remember, if you have been committing a mistake for a very long time, then it doesn't mean that you have to continue doing that mistake, as you have already invested so much time committing that mistake in the first place itself. Just drop that software and use the one which is more efficient than yours. Now make a list of all those softwares and tools and go all in. Make demo videos, comparison videos, tutorial videos, do all the random kind of things you can imagine with that tool. Just own it like you mean it. Sorry, I got carried away. You know, when you have less subscribers, you tend to overexert yourself. So what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe, please. Just kidding. Coming back to the topic, once people realize that the product is actually valuable, then they will buy it. Pat Flynn even suggested to go one step further and say that you will give them beginner's guide if they purchase it from your affiliate link, which makes it extremely likely that people are going to purchase it through your affiliate link because you are providing them exclusivity. Fifth is services. Well, I could have covered this with software itself, but it is an important one because a lot of service providers even don't know about this kind of system. If you know any service provider who has top-notch delivery, then you can do its affiliate marketing. It is, I guess, kind of an untapped territory, but only problem you are going to face is that the provider won't have an affiliate or partner program for such an arrangement. So in this case, just write them a mail educating them about such an arrangement, and you will find them appreciative of such a strategy. Everyone is looking for testimonials, and if you're providing them a glorified testimonial on a silver platter, then they would readily cut you a commission with every conversion they get through you. Also keep in mind that one lead in B2B has comparatively higher average order value. So eventually you get a very high commission. Sixth one is coaching. In every market, be it health, relationship, marketing or anything, there are coaches in every field. If you are in a niche for considerable amount of time, then you must have come across a few in your field as well. Everyone in their field wants to become an expert, and a perfect way is to have a one-on-one session with the expert. So if you trust a coach in your field and are absolutely sure that your audience will be handled with due diligence, then go ahead and introduce him as an expert who can give your audience one-to-one coaching. Seventh tip is use Affiliatizer. This is a Chrome extension which gives you some superpower. Affiliatizer highlights advertisers with affiliate programs within Google search result pages and in the address bar. Affiliatizer is one of the easiest ways to find affiliate programs. Just Google for brands and products, and they add an icon in front of each search result, so you will never miss an advertiser again. You can also browse the web. Affiliatizer will notify you as soon as you visit a website from an advertiser. With one click, you will see all the available affiliate programs. Eighth tip is blend in the affiliate links with content. Look at the point 3 which I discussed in this video. I just casually talked about Isaac and his course. While doing so casually, I implanted a seed in your head that Isaac's course is so good that I don't mind mentioning and endorsing it within a totally irrelevant video. This is how seamless you need to be. By the way, he really is that good that while preparing this script, I automatically had to put him in there, and later on realized that it was not intentional. Ninth and the very most important tip is ask questions to your audience. I guess this is the most obvious one, and so obvious that people tend to ignore it. Never forget that your audience is the one who is gonna buy, so you will have to understand your audience first. They might be way ahead in their journey of learning a thing you are teaching, and you end up pitching them a beginner level product, then they won't buy it. Vice versa is also true. It is very important that you have all the pain points of your customers and then find a product which can help them solve that issue. It can be as simple as process flow tools like Asana to anything as complex as finding a domain hosting company suited for doctors. You can use tools like SurveyMonkey or Google Forms for the purpose and circulate it amongst your audience. Well, these were some of the tips which will help you with your affiliate marketing strategy. Let me know in the comments below the strategy which you find the most useful. If you have any other strategy, then let the community know, because sharing is caring. If you have got any doubt, then please comment below, and at the end of this series I'll take up questions in a live session, given that I have 1000 followers to go live with in the first place. Well, I have been emphasizing it enough because I don't think I'll reach 2000 followers, so yeah. Also share it with that person whom you think would be benefited from this course, and press the bell icon to never miss a video from this channel. So what are the next steps? Click on the video to go to the next video, or click on the playlist to watch the entire playlist on affiliate marketing. Until next time, bye bye, or see you in the next video again.